Tomorrow. Okay, it doesn't matter where you shop. Our Smart Shopper finds deals in every grocery aisle. Here's Daphne Monroe with your very first glimpse.
At Food City, you can buy boneless, skinless chicken breasts for just $1.59 per pound. And you can buy up to 2 packs at that price. You can score a great deal at Food City on a 10-pound box of whole tilapia for just 88 cents per pound. Keep your belly warm on the inside with Progresso soup. Fry's has select varieties on sale for just 88 cents a can. Sprouts has California navel oranges for 10 cents per pound. Bash's has cantaloupe on sale for 33 cents per pound. Safeway, Bash's, and Albertsons will save you money on milk. They all have a gallon of milk on sale for $1.79 each. Safeway has a rocking deal on one 2-liter bottle of 7-Up 10 for just 24 cents. In order to get that price, you have to go to Safeway's website and download their Just For You coupon and load it on your Safeway card. Albertsons has their buy any 8 participating items and save $4. For example, select varieties of General Mills cereal on sale for $2.49. But if you buy 8, you get 50 cents off each item, bringing that cereal down to just $1.99.
I'll have more Valley grocery store deals posted on our website. Just head over to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your Smart Shopper.